Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today's question is, what should be the ideal board composition for startup founders? And this is something which is missed by many founders because they think that they don't need mentorship or advice on things which they are doing. Actually, that is not correct. Every one of us needs some mentors and some advice in any stage of our life. So it's better idea to have a board which might help you running your startup or building your startup. I can divide this composition in three ways. One is for your early stage startups, which are your C to Series A, and in that particular category, you can have a board where you have a one or two founders, one investor representation if you have an investor, one independent director. If needed, you can add a industry consultant. For example, if you're in healthcare, you need a little bit of industry knowledge. Second one is your growth stage startup, Series B and beyond. In this one, you definitely need domain experts which are very good in sales, marketing, technology, operation, and things like that because you will be scaling your startup. So you need those advices. You also need a balanced board where you will have representation from founders, investors, independent directors, and industry expert if you need. Also, you should try to add legal experts. It's optional, but if you are in something like healthcare, where a lot of regulations are there, or banking, you should definitely add some industry expert from legal perspective. Ideal composition will be one or two founders, two investors representations, two independent director, one industry experts, and possibly one legal expert. Last one is late stage startups, which is pre-IPO or exit. And this one you need a board where you have a seasoned executives who have taken companies from private to public, or they have exited those companies by mergers or acquisitions. So you definitely need those people. You also need a very strong governance. When you want to go for a pre-IPO stage, later on you will go public, you need a very strong corporate governance. So you need to have those representation on your board as well. You also need to have audit and finance representation in your board because all your valuation and things depends upon how much financially stable you are for financial planning perspective, cash flow, P&L, and all those things. Ideal structure for this will be one founder, and slowly founder should take out the active role in the board, and then you can have two or three independent directors because you are going public, so more independent better for you. One or two investor representation, also it has to go down from growth stage. And then one should be industry expert who might be very good in your industry, which might be anything healthcare or insurance or whatever it is. So you need to have one industry expert for sure. Also, you need some experts on IPOs, M&As, and those kind of scenarios. So probably when you are looking for independent directors, you might add one of the independent directors from financial background. So that might be a good structure for you. And you cannot have a what you call similar strategy for your board based upon your stage. You have to keep updating them, keep moving things in a way it should help you maximize the return. That should be the goal. So yeah, these are my views on how you can do proper board structure. There are no fixed ways. It all depends upon how you want to do it. Most important thing is that if you're open for mentorship, open for learning, and open for growth, then you should definitely consider having mentors and advisors around you. That's the basic concept of board. Let me know what you think and share your feedback. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.